In today's video, I'm going to show you how to request data deletion inside Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the dashboard. Next, click the Support button inside your dashboard. This will open the Support section where you can see how you can contact their team directly. Inside the Support area, you'll usually see their available support hours and the email where you can reach them out. To request data deletion, simply write them an email and clearly state that you want your account data deleted. Make sure to include your account email so they can properly identify your profile. Once submitted, the support team will review your request and guide you through the data removal process according to their policies. Also, make sure to double-check if you have any active projects or purchases before sending the request, so you don't lose anything important by accident. And that's it. That's how you request data deletion in Artistly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.